But what we discuss it on top of the night show now say, wetin they make woman quick. Wetin they make woman quick lose interest for where man dey. One, now 3 things dey. Now, when the man don't lose in work when he not get money again, now when the man not dey wipe well. Sorry, when the man not dey do when the man not dey do well for bed for night. For those of them what they do for night, because some people they do a morning, afternoon, and night. Now when the man not dey do am well for night, now third one, when the man not they give attention. Now, wetin be the thing where they make woman lose interest quick for a man? Our phone number is on your TV already. Make una the call to take for tell now wetin una feel on top of the matter. Now on top Twitter, peace Ordinachi talk say money is not really everything. This one a woman. Money is not really everything, you know. But for me, if you stop giving me attention, you are so on your own. Now. Akins like Meche talk say now money, but if you dey get the money, she's ready to if you get the money, she's ready to cope with any imperfection. Now, women they talk say not be money, men they talk say na money. So what it can be?
There is money somewhere.
Money there somewhere. Money there somewhere. I say women they are dodge am. Women they dodge am. Plenty women now. Okay, say this one now again. Don't talk say not be. This one they get, this woman now they talk say, money. Basically, say money not be everything. Say na attention and love. So you wait, for you now.
Yeah.
Because this thing now don't they confuse me. Say, if you come like I mean, as if say me I not even know what's in there. Now money, if you get the money for between you now.
Yeah.
Men say na money, women say not be money. What do you think for these 3 things?
Yeah.
Say the truth and shame the devil. What do you think say be the thing we go make?
Well, if for my own opinion, the basic thing when I believe say they make woman they quick, they tire for man matter, and I be say if you don't give her attention. Now my own be that attention, because even sometimes you could just get the bar you're full everywhere.
Go sit down.
No, wait now. You could just get bar just full everywhere. You come from work, you buy her flowers, you buy a new phone, you just go to
So wait. You want to give him attention now? You go sit down for house. Oh, baby, I want to give you attention. Tell me all your problem. Oh, is your leg paining you? Oh, let me press your leg.
Attention, they get attention now. Shebi?
Hello, Ja. From Ilorin, good evening. From Nedu. Maria de Alpha.
Nedu, first of all.
Introduction.
Hello?
Hey, would I hear you?
I say I dey pity that guy where they come from Port Harcourt.
My brother.
Hey, me and my sister they argue the matter for you. I said I'm money.
My brother.
Money.
Your sister there?
He dey make you come outside, go talk to you.
Hey, come outside.
I say na money.
Drag them, come outside.
When you get it,
money. If you not get money, they go run away.
I tell you, for me, self, now money. If you don't get money, no woman go there with you.
Make
your sister don't come.
You know, like.
Sister?
Hello?
Hello?
Yeah,
good evening. Would I hear you?
See, not be money, na attention.
Attention. Let come. I support you, madam.
Madam, wait. So you mean wait? You don't marry?
Yes.
Now hold on. If your husband not give you money till night, you say, oh baby, I'm paying attention to your need, emotional, spiritual, and otherwise. Oh, is your leg paining you? Let me press it. Now you like her like that? No money.
Not be money, be everything.
But money join. Wait now. Oh, but the money join.
We women, we get proud.
We get proud. Wait, Nedu, make she talk.
Oh, yeah, talk.
See, if even though money not there, when woman marry man, if love dey the home, man dey waka for outside. Even though you not come back, come meet the woman for house with money, the love there, you dey give the woman attention for house. The woman go always love you. But if you dey cheat the woman for outside, the woman go just lose interest. You not go get your time first.
Now,
yes.
I go ask you again.
Hey.
Wetin dey make woman lose attention for man? Now money we not dey. I be na you know they do well for night. I be na attention. Choose one.
Na attention.
So as long as they show you attention, whether money there or not, it is okay with you.
So if I say you they give the woman attention,
They give her
money
attention
there
now.
or you know they give.
But that might support you, Jerry. I support you.
I hear you.
Live on a life well. But when you know they give attention, like as you did there now, maybe you get woman for house now. That cloth when you wear sit down for that so. You go so with one girl for outside, your wife maybe tomorrow now, if they pass, he go just see you. What you wear sit down for there now? You with one girl on a wear a mako and the woman there outside. You know so am for amo.
Now wait, wait, you don't marry. I don't ask you this
She
question.
said she don't marry Nanny.
You don't marry. You don't talk like say they pay you.
He dey pay me now. He
don't
dey
pay
pay me
person
for
now.
Wetin dey pay you?
yourself as you did there now. You dey do am.
And they do it.
Yes, so you dey do am. Your hands self not clean. The way they see you.
Madam, to you. Bye bye. Hello, who there on the line, Ibiko? Hello,
Hello, brother.
my brother. How is you?
They cool.
Now, for you now, what do you think say they make woman lose attention for a man day? Now say make the man lose in work and not get money, or now say the man no they do well for night for bed. I been they show the woman attention. Wetin go make woman lose attention for a man day?
I'm on you.
Money acquire.
Wetin be handsome. When man be handsome man, that means he get something for hand.
Okay.
Any man when no get something for hand, they know they handsome.
All right, thank you very much, my brother. Is it the question I go ask?
Okay.
Question I go ask you now.
Okay, go ahead.
Yes.
My brother, I support you. Why girls go follow? You go see man wey get pot belly. One young girl go follow him. My brother, he no get any girl wey go follow man wey get pot belly. If the man not get money.
Hey, Nedu, wait first. Now,
What are you telling me?
Nedu, see, I understand what you talk. Now, Mogu look at from this context. Should be the people we talk about now singles or now couples. Okay, obviously people we talk about now couples, people we don't marry. Abi? Okay, now that's why you talk about bed for nights. Okay, now even if you get the money, you know they give the woman attention. How you want to spend money for who you know they give attention?
My brother, leave matter for
You know they
matters.
give person attention. How you want to spend the money?
I beg, hello from Wari. Good evening, Ibiko. I don't know what this man is talking about here. Hello?
Hello.
Hey, my brother, how now?
They do Brazil.
I can't pass them kapasa to one now. I better took one for this thing what they discuss. Eh?
I think I will be
My brother, can qualify here, man.
Alpha, now you see, please, Alpha.
Yes, boss. I did, Baba. Good evening.
I hear you, my brother. You are doing one.
We feel you. Thank you, Baba. We feel you.
Talk your talk. What you go make the woman lose interest for a man day?
They do for me. Now, attention.
Correct. I give too much.
Wait now. Talk.
Correct.
Why you think saying attention?
Okay, ma, I tell you one. I say attention. Sometimes, you will see say some women get the money. But they never get the other person to give them attention to spend. So they don't care what
Wait.
I your head
Any
there.
woman now, where see person they give her attention, where money not there, she go there.
You say what?
If woman see person where they give her attention, where money not there, for anywhere, she go there.
But if you begin giving
No, now, yes or no. She go there, but she not go there.
Now, one step by step.
Now, one step by step. They do they corner this question.
I know they corner am. Now they miss am. He says step by step,
Okay.
which means you dey chook money for inside the talk too. For the attention, you dey chook money.
You give me 3 options to choose one. Choose one and to give you the why it must be that way.
Bye. I don't hear you. From UK, good evening.
Hey, good evening, Nedu. How you doing now?
Yo, what's up, my man? In it. What's up, man?
Oh no, my guy. I just want to shoot mouth. I beg. I know say you give 3 options, but I just want elaborate one side based on experience, Sha.
Okay.
Especially, here is a whole different world from Nigeria. Like, we get our own issues, woman hands, maybe for Nigeria like 1, here na times 10. So many of my friends, I don't see an occurring pattern. Like 5 of my friends have had ugly encounters with women, where maybe then they look for Bali or something like that. But you get one way happened recently, man. This my guy, he really hear him badly.
Okay.
As in, up to the extent the guy was at the point of death. He was hospitalized. The guy was a walking skeleton.
Wow.
But make we just keep this one aside.
Yeah.
One thing I don't notice, we say one recurring pattern. I know how they go off topic, but one recurring pattern what I don't see now. Most women where they say their mom see, the character of the mom see goes a long way to tell about whether she will go for money or whether she will go for affection.
Okay.
Another thing another thing I don't notice, a recurring pattern what I don't notice from these 5 experiences what I don't see. Yeah. Now say, sometimes when the male no dey around or the male don't die, you understand? Now it now turns to the environment where she creates around herself in terms of her friends, what kind of influences she get, the kind of music where she listen, the kind of life where she live generally.
Okay.
Now you go tell whether na affection or na money. So it all boils down to me.
But for you now, if you go choose, which one you go choose?
No, like me, what I'm saying, it depends on the individual and the environment where the individual come from. That's my answer.
Oh, yeah, no problem. Thank you very much, Ben.
Thank you, Ben.
Thank you very much. On top Twitter, Eze Onyeka talk say, Nedu, if women say not be money, please ask them, wetin dey cause am? Abeg, na money be love for every woman. Attention, is it free? Attention is not free. Adora from Abuja, good evening. Attention, is it free? Adora, wetin dey make woman lose interest for man?
Na money.
Thank you. Adora, God will bless you.
Adora, you don't make Nedu the happy.
God will bless you.
You don't make Nedu the happy.
My sister, I will make sure you make heaven.
Wallahi, na money.
What do you mean?
Okay,
attention na free.
Why you think? Okay,
the attention na free.
The attention not be free, but okay, money.
Attention.
Forget attention. If there is no money, forget attention.
Forget attention. What are you talking about?
Nedu, wait. Nedu, you as a man, Adora, you listen.
Adora, now listen to them. Adora, good night. Now you're a good night. Sandra Ohazulukete is attention for me. It's not always about money.
Thank you, Sandra.
It's not about money, acquire. We will hear. Anyway, whether not about money or about attention, to me, I go talk my own. They say, hey, you're not supposed to have your opinion. It's my opinion. Most women and my brother, if you don't have money, that is what you eat. You are on your own, or you is your curse. Anyway, double toilet to those when episode they see for front people like K-Moss, Sharply, Big Bash, and K-Solo, Hallebeck, and double toilet to all of them when say call us on top of the show and those who send tweet messages. Thank you very much. Until tomorrow, we're gonna get better evening. Una good evening.
If you don't just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.